Tanan! Unboxing! Ay! Wala pala akong gunting na dinala rito. Anong gunting? Where's the gunting? There is the gunting. Unboxing tayo, ha? Surprise! Surprise! Excited! What is this all about?
$9.
Discounted. Original price, how much?
100 plus.
289?
200 plus. Like 200 plus.
Unboxing.
Yan ano.
Wala pa, binibidyo ko pa lang ng ano. Hindi ko nila-live pa. Tanan! Flexi-piano. Maglalaro kami ng anak ko.
Must know a song to play. What
There.
song?
Uy, may card pa. Ngayon pang specially dedicated. Special dedication pa. Hello, thank you for your purchase. At Travel Clef, we are committed to spreading joy through playing music. We strive to provide instruments that are of good quality. Feel free to get in touch if you have any feedback on your purchase. Your instrument was packed with heart by ASH. Sino yung ASH? Siya mismo, no? Yung nabasa natin, ano? May instructions dito. Number 1, place the Flexi-piano on a flat, hard surface. Exert a firm touch as you press the key. Number 2. Number 3, hold your wrist upright. Number 4, use your fingertips to play. Number 5, play on the bottom part of the keys. Number 6, ensure sufficient battery power. 7, round it loosely and gently. 8, do not fold it tightly or forcefully stretch it. Ayan, may mga ano siya, tips how to use. Kailangan ng 4 na AAA batteries. This is the one. Ano yung initial niya? ASH. Hindi sinabi ko ano yung tunay na ito ang ano niya, buong pangalan. Ito yung may manual siya dito. Sana may nota rin ano. May nakaano rin na nota. And the big event. Ito yung mga ano niya. Wow! Excited! Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. And wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng feel sa kanya, oh. Wow! Dito daw sa tip yung ano. Ay anak, ang ganda. Makakapag-piano ka na ulit. Using small space lang. Kahit saang space, pwede.
Chopstick.
Pag-aralan natin kung paano i-demo. Susunod naman na video.